How glass marbles are made from waste glass. Did you know those colourful glass marbles can actually start as piles of broken glass? First, the waste glass is thoroughly washed to remove dirt, sand and oil, then crushed into uniform pieces. Next, the glass particles are melted at an incredible 1450 degrees Celsius. Because recycled glass melts about 150 degrees Celsius lower than new quartz sand material, the process can reduce overall energy consumption by around 40%. The molten glass is cut into glowing droplets and dropped into a rotating, heat-resistant drum. Constant rolling and friction gradually transform the droplets into perfectly round marbles. The efficiency is impressive. 1 ton of clean waste glass can produce about 0.97 tons of finished marbles, while 4 tons of recycled glass can produce nearly 1 million marbles in a day. After cooling, the marbles are polished until they become smooth and crystal clear. They are then inspected for bubbles, cracks, and deformation before being packaged. Even better, recycling glass can reduce CO2 emissions by around 58% compared with producing new glass. Glass can also be melted and recycled again and again, making it ideal for a continuous recycling cycle. Want to discover more amazing factory processes? Subscribe to the channel and follow us for the next fascinating production line.